Welcome to a new episode of Medicine in 3 minutes. As usual, we go straight to the point. The subject is bravely made clear and often illustrated. Let's start. Today's topic is about snoring and sleep apnea. The first part is devoted to snoring. Then we will deal with sleep apnea. There is a remember and sleep diagram, definition, obstructive sleep apnea, central sleep apnea, mixed sleep apnea, sleep diagram, epidemiology, cause, physiopathology, symptom, polysomnography, treatment, CPAP, and medication.